Hello and welcome back to Infinitude in this 2 minutes to learn session in which we will wrap a text around a circle in Illustrator. Let's dive into Illustrator. At first, let's create a circle. Go to the ellipse tool and then let's create a ellipse. And then I will go to the text tool and then choose the type on or path tool. And then let's click on the path, and then by default it will populate with the lorem ipsum. I will just use the Helvetica bold, and then let's just dial in the number, that is 40, and then I will go to the direct selection tool and let's center out this, and then I will just double click and then type wrap text around a circle and then skip, and then I will just select this and then copy, Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or you can just go to over here and then paste in front. I'll just Alt and then Shift and just make it bigger, and then we will just click this and then place it inside. Now what I will do is I will just select this path and choose the eyedropper tool and then click this text. What it will do is it will copy the properties, that is size, the space between ferns, from the selected source. I will just double click and then I will type Illustrator, Illustrator. Let's select this both and let's increase the size, Command and Shift and then arrow key. By this way we can wrap the text around a circle using Illustrator. Thanks for watching, guys.